Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can enable silent notifications on your iPhone. So to do that, you are going to select the accessibility tab. Scroll down until you see audio and visual, and you're going to scroll down, go to visual here, and select LED flash for alerts. Then you're going to select LED flash for alerts. You can even flash it in silent mode, and you can even flash it while it's unlocked as well. So for instance, I think this is good. Well, there's already like vibrations for like people who can't, like who are unable to hear. But this is good if maybe their phone is far away and like you want to be able to see if there's like a notification but you can't hear. So I think this is a really good feature that to have on your phone. But that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.